We have a Hyundai Sonata here. Customer tried to do the lights himself and messed them up. Be honest with you, Hyundai and Kia are not easy lights to do. Okay, they need the BMW process, and people don't know how to do that. We do. So here's your before. Wait till you see the after. They look like they're brand new. Broward Headlight Restoration. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at that. Broward Headlight Restoration. We service South Florida. We service Broward County, Palm Beach County, Miami-Dade County. We are 100% mobile. We come to you, your home, your work, your office. Text us your pictures for an estimate. Give us a call, 754-302-0769. We come to you, South Florida. Just give us a call. Thank you for watching this video.